What kind of shower valve is this? What in the hillbilly trailer park? It works, but it's old as hell. And it has some issues. Like I say, it works. I'll show you it works. There's cold. There's hot. However, the handle kind of sags there. The handle flat falls off. Falls right off. Look at that stem sticking out of there. That's an oddball stem. Never seen something like it. I want to say this handle almost looks familiar, but it doesn't. Look at that. If I was going to try to make repairs to this thing, I'd need to get parts. I don't know if I can get parts for this. I first have to figure out what kind of shower valve it is. Look there, now it doesn't want to turn off. I guess it does need some work. The stem there is plastic. Don't see a name on it anywhere. There's something wrong with it. A couple things wrong with it. I assumed it worked, but apparently it don't. Because it didn't shut off. So, if you've seen one of these, if you know what it is, it'd be interesting to know what kind of shower valve that is. I don't think I've seen these kind of parts before. Look at that, now it shuts off. It's dripping. Isn't that weird? Well, at this point, I think I'm going to end up replacing it with a brand new shower valve. I'll probably put in a Moen PosiTemp. You know, I figured maybe it just needed a little work, but yeah, that thing is old. It's falling apart. Doesn't even seem to have a name anywhere on it. It's got some arrows, directional arrows. No writing. Excuse me. If you know what kind of shower valve that is, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.